Just put a plastic bottle in the toilet and you never have this problem again. That's right, everyone. After this tip, your bathroom will never be the same again. For this, we're going to need a plastic bottle like this one, all right? And with the help of a needle, make several holes on the top. But all in the stop part. Okay, so don't make any holes on the bottom, all right? Once that's done, we're going to use the lime. If possible, make sure to pick a lime instead of a lemon, as it's more acidic, which is going to be better for our tip. Now, take a plate and cut the lime like this. Into a slice is pretty easy. Go ahead and cut the whole lime now. This is what we're going to do. Open the bottle and then put all the slices inside. Okay? And check this out. It'll look like this. Then grab a funnel. And now let's add disinfectant. I'm using this one because I really like it. But feel free to use whatever you have at home. So now we're going to add disinfectant until it's a little before halfway, which is around where we made the holes. So disinfectant in. Great. That'll do. And then just finish it off with baking soda. We're only going to need 1 tablespoon of baking soda. So go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And then just close the bottle and our tip will be ready. Now let's get to the bathroom and I'll show you how we're going to use this. All right, folks, so here's the thing. Get our toilet and then let's open a tank. So let's go ahead and remove the lid. All right, now take our tip, and as we make these little holes on top, when we turn it upside down, it will drip, right? But when we put in there, this is what will happen every time we flush. Only a little bit of the ingredients we put in will come out. And what's good about that? Exactly. The lime and the baking soda are excellent cleaners and whiteners, okay? So it will keep your toilet always clean, removing especially those yellowish stains. The disinfectant will kill all the bacteria as well as leaving a pleasant smell in your bathroom. So let's put the bottle in there. And now let's cover the tank, and then wait for 5 minutes before flushing again. This is so that our product can mix with the water in there. So, well, folks, after the time is up, I'm gonna flush. Let me show you. Check this out. See how amazing it is. You'll see a little bit of the disinfectant, lime, and baking soda coming out. And as I said, you have all these benefits. A clean toilet, free of bacteria, and most importantly, super fresh.